Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a mock-up ebook cover. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do right here is to visit this website. Okay, so once you get to this website, you just stroll around. Okay, you just scroll and then you're gonna find a lot of mock-up book covers right here which you can actually use maybe for your ebook. Okay, or maybe you want to generate leads with ebook, or you want to get a mock-up for your ebook you want to sell. Okay, so first thing you do is just come on to this website. So once you get to the website, you just select any of the designs you like. Okay, there are lots more designs actually, but I just decided to keep this video very short so you guys can just watch this and then learn how to do this very quickly. Okay, so once you select any of the designs right here, you can see I have actually selected this one right here in the center. Okay, so I'll just scroll back up. So once you scroll back up, you just click on the next. Okay, so right there you can see the next button. So what you want to do is to click on the browse option. Okay, so once you click on the browse option, you just select a file or a book cover from your phone. Okay, so once you click on browse, it's going to show you options of the images you actually have on your phone. And before you take this process, make sure you must have designed your book cover, maybe by using Canva or any other app. Okay, so I'm going to be using this particular one right here showing unlock it. Okay, so just click on it and then click on done and then click on upload. Okay, so after clicking on upload, it's just going to take some few minutes. Okay, let me say seconds, right? So a few seconds and then it's going to display right here. Okay, you can see it is showing unlock it right there. So what I'm going to do is to click on next again. So you can see the next button right there. So after clicking on next, you get to this page which you have to download it. You can see our mock-up cover is very beautiful and it is ready for download. So you can choose to download with PNG or the JPEG. Okay, so I selected PNG and right there you can see it is downloading already. So in just few seconds it's going to complete. Okay, so right there you can see it is complete. Let's open it and then see what our design looks like. Okay, so right here guys, you can see this is what our mock-up look like. You can see I did this in just few minutes, right? There are other designs I can actually teach you guys, but if you want me to teach you other designs, just tell me in the comment section below. All right guys, this is the book cover right here and we have been able to make our mock-up as well. So this is not a magic, it is something you can also do. Just go immediately after watching this video and try it. Okay, and if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, do well to hit that subscribe button, follow me and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos on my channel. Okay.